Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I had an update here on Healthier Choices Management Corp. I haven't talked about them for a while. I've made a couple videos about them. I'm a shareholder in HCMC. If you don't know much about them, they are a leading supplier of electronic cigarettes and just kind of a health company. I'll list the links in the description. That way you can get a more in-depth view of what the company is all about. But the major catalyst is they have a lawsuit with Philip Morris. And again, my other videos kind of goes more in depth on that. This is just kind of a quick update here that I just heard about. As you can see, it's trading for 0.0025. I think my cost basis might be 0.003. I'm down a little bit on my shares, but I'm in this one for the long run, or we'll see what happens with it. So definitely waiting to see what comes. The outcome is with the lawsuit. But I found this on Justia Docket and Filings. This is dated on January 19th. The filing 23 is an order granting number 22 motion for extension of time to answer. Philip Morris USA Incorporated. Answer is due 2/26/21. And if I look at my calendar correctly, that is tomorrow. So maybe we'll hear some good information about HCMC tomorrow. And this is signed by the Judge Timothy C. Batten on 1/19. And so I just come across that and wanted to point that out, and this could be definitely one to watch tomorrow. So go ahead and put that on your radar, and we'll see what happens with it. I'm still holding the shares that I have. I haven't bought any more. I've thought about it, but there's too many other penny stocks that I'm into if you follow my channel. And I've found a couple more here as of lately that I've pulled the trigger on. So if you follow my channel, you know I'm totally into TSNP, Humble Pay, and a couple blockchain penny stocks and MJ penny stocks, all kinds of penny stocks. I'm I should say neck deep in penny stocks, and another favorite one is OZSC. You can find all those in my library. But from what I can see on the HCMC, I mean, there has been some people back out, not patient, and there's a I can't say it word for word. As you follow my channel, you know I'm in Omaha, Nebraska with Warren Buffett, and one of his sayings is patience. And I should have looked it up before it just came to mind, and but I can't think of the saying. It's about patience and having patience, and it's basically kind of a transfer of wealth from the non-patient to the patient. So especially on a week like this where it's been a lot of red and people selling out and other people buying up the shares. So I was one of them scooping up some shares. So a lot of my investments I'm in for the long run. I don't really day trade or anything like that. I do from time to time, but it's got to be a company that I really know, not one like this. So this one I'm kind of in for the long run. But back to the HCMC here. Not too much daily talk here on Reddit, and I've had a lot better luck, which I've said on a couple of my other videos. You probably get tired of me saying that on stock twits here. So but everybody's still bullish on this one. You know, our lawyer is sitting at some very expensive restaurant right now with a big cigar and a smile. This looks like the A-team, B.A. Baracus there. Mr. T with all the chains. I believe we have them right where we want them. So this show's a classic. So if you haven't ever watched that, that's an awesome show. You could probably even watch it on YouTube. It's kind of an older show, but I can't remember back in the 80s, but they say that Mr. T used to wear about $300,000 worth of jewelry. So kind of an interesting guy. So but the lawyer talk must be out, and maybe some people already know about the deadline as being tomorrow, so but I just wanted to point it out. I don't really see any more talk here, so always find some good humor on here. So I'm just below 7 million shares, would like to make it to 10 million shares. Man, some people are just loading the boat on this one. I think they're totally in it for the PM, the Philip Morris lawsuit, but that's all that I could find on it. I haven't found anything about this one. I was just thinking about it the other day, sitting on the shares, and wanted to see if there's anything new, and then I come across this, and it's actually due tomorrow. So just wanted to make a quick update about this one, because I know there's a lot of people holding it, and getting slightly impatient, and lawsuits do take a while, so this one could take a while, but we'll hope for the best and wait and see. And I mean, there's all kinds of things you could speculate about Philip Morris just settling, or, I mean, they have enough cash laying around. They're a huge company. They could just buy out this company. So, I mean, who knows what could happen with it. So, but that's all I have on this one. If you haven't smashed that like button, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. And looks like earnings, I forgot to cover that, is also coming up on the 3rd. I think that's a week from yesterday, so would be another play to watch. So maybe we'll hear something about the lawsuit tomorrow, and see what earnings brings next week. So two good things that could turn this one around, so we'll wait and see what happens. So but that's it. If you have any other information on this, go ahead and leave it in the comments, and as well as hitting that like button and subscribing for me. And I thank you for all the support. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.